Hello dear students, in this video we try to understand the topic of coding, decoding and also solve some problems. Okay, so let's get started. Types of coding, decoding problems. So there are variety of problems in this. The major ones are 5 different types. The first one being letter coding, where just letters will be interchanged. Probably they're written in this order, they might be changed in reverse order. So order of the letters will be changed. Okay. Good might be coded as DOOG. Okay. So this is first type. Second type in letter coding is exchanging the positions. For examples, in the word happy, HA is moved to the last part of the word, and last part, that is PY, is moved to first part. So HAPPY is split like this, HA and PPY. HA will come to the last, PY will come to the beginning. Okay, this is another type where exchanging of position happens. First letter might go to fifth letter, third letter, or even last letter. Okay. Next type is number coding. Number coding means each letter will be assigned one number and the words will be coded as numbers. For example, we know that in English alphabet, A can be assigned as 1 because that is the first letter. B is 2, like that. If you go on, Z will be 26. Okay. So in that way as well, numbers will be assigned. Next type is forward or backward movement of letters. For example, AB will be coded as BC. BC will be coded as CD and CD will be coded as DE and so on. Just movement of the letters. It could be forward movement or it could be backward movement. Both are possible. Third one is completely different from this. It is like using some unknown language or numbers or some symbols, where 3 lines question will be there. Okay, we will look into all these types of questions in our video. Important instructions. It's very important that you should know the alphabets and their numbers. What do? Is you can write down like this as it is shown on the screen. Please write down the numbers from 1 to 13 in one row, and next row should begin from this side, that is 14 to 26, like this. Okay, first row will have 1 to 13, next row will start from 14 to 26. Okay, so 1 means A, B means 2 and so on. You can assign the numbers and it will come back to Z, which is 26. Okay, fine, let's get started. First question for you. In a certain code language, ROK is written as 44 and MIG is written as 29. What will be the code for TAL in that code? Okay. So here basically the place value is taken here. For example, ROK. Observe this table. R means 18. O means 15. K means 11. So if we assign the numbers, R is 18, O is 15, K is 11. Just add these numbers, we get 44. And in the question, ROK is written as 44. Which means in this question, the logic is simply adding the place value of each letter. Right? Let us verify it is true for other word as well. MIG. M means 13. As you can see here, M is 13. I means 9. G means 7. So 13 plus 9 plus 7 gives us 29. So MIG is 29. So the logic is absolutely fine. We will apply the same logic for this word TAL. T means 20. A means 1. L means 12. So 20 plus 1 plus 12. That is our answer. 20 plus 1 plus 12, which gives us 33. So 33 is the right answer for this question. Okay, remember friends, it could be just direct addition. Sometimes it could be multiplication. Sometimes after adding the number, there could be extra numbers or even the numbers can be subtracted from this. Okay. Let us look into this next question. Tan is written as 33. TAN. We know very well that T means 20, A means 21, N is 14. If we add all these numbers, we get 35. Okay. If I add T plus A plus N number, I get 35. But it is written as 33. It is written as 33. Please remember, they can write any number. So the logic here is the place values are added and then the value is subtracted with 2. The entire value is subtracted with 2. So 35 minus 2 becomes 33. Same way, PAM, if I add P is 16, A is 1 and M is 13. If I add, I get 30. I'll follow the same logic. 30 minus 2 is equal to 28. As you can see, the question 28. So we got the logic now. We have to add all the place value and then subtract with 2. B, U, G. B is 2, U is 21, G is 7. So totally 30, but the logic is minus 2 I have to do. So 30 minus 2 is equal to 28. So option D, 28 is the right answer. Next question. In a certain code language, pain is written as 161914. Okay. Friends, observe this carefully. P means 16. A means 1. I means 9. So as you can see, this is P, this is A, this is I, and 14 means N. So just the values, the place values are substituted. That's it. No addition, subtraction here. Right? Let us check for the other word. TYRE. T for 20, Y for 25, R is 18, E is 5. So this is also fine. So I'll apply the same logic for the word long, L-O-N-G. So L is 12, O is 15, N is 14, G is 7. So 12, 15, 14, 7 is the answer, which is option C. That is the right answer. Next question. In a certain code language, ping is written as 4, metal is written as 5. What will be the code for studies? If you just observe carefully, ping has 4 letters, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why it is written as 4. Metal has 5 letters, so it is written as 5. Applying the same logic, studies has 7 letters, so the option will be 7. Sometimes you might get these kind of questions also. Next one. Blend is written as ENHP. How do you solve these type of questions? When you have one word is coded as another word, best way is to write down one word and below that another word. Okay. Now, let us observe what is the number for B. B is nothing but 2. Okay. So B has become E. B has become E. What is E? E is nothing but 5. So B has become E. So basically, after B we have C and D. So 2 letters are skipped here. Okay. Or if you go by the numbers, 2 is becoming 5, which means plus 3. From B to E, it is plus 3. Same way, L has become N. LMN. L is 12, N is 14. So the next letter, it is plus 2. By 2 steps, it has moved. Again, E has become, third letter E has become H. As you can see, E is 5, H is 8. So 5 plus 3 it has become. So we can observe that the first letter is plus 3, second letter is plus 2, third letter is plus 3, fourth letter is plus 2, and so on. We will apply the same logic for winner. Winner, W is 23, plus 2 is plus 3 we have to do, first one. 23 plus 3 is 26, which is Z. So Z will be the first letter. As you can see here, 23 plus 3 is 26. I means 9, 9 plus 2, 11. 11 means which word? Which letter? K. So 11 means K. Next, N is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. 16 means P. Okay. So first one is plus 3. Second one is plus 2. Third one will be plus 3. So third one is N. N plus 3 is Q. Fourth letter is also N. But now we have to do plus 2 only. So N becomes P. Fifth letter is E, which is plus 3. So E becomes H. R plus 2 becomes T. So 26, 11, 17, 16, 8, 20 is the numbers you get. ZKQ, PHT is the answer you get. Friends, you can do this in two ways. First one is by looking at the numbers. One more method is just observing the letters. That's more than enough. B, C, D, E is there. L, M, N is there. E, F, G, H is there. So, two letters are missing, one letter is missing. Two letters are missing, one letter is missing. Same logic if you apply after W, two letters are missing, X, Y. So, Z is the answer. I, one letter is missing, J. K will be the next letter. N, O, P, Q. N, O, P, E, F, G, H, R, S, T. Directly also you can solve this question. V is equal to 44, fat is equal to 54. Let us see what is V. V is nothing but 22. V is actually 22, but they have given 44, which means 22 into 2 is equal to 44. It will be multiplied by 2 and we're getting 44. So let us apply the same logic. Fat is written as 54. Let me see what is the place value of fat. F is 6, A is 1, T is 20. If I add, I get 27, but it is coded as 54, which means 27 into 2 is equal to 54. Same logic I will apply. I will add all the place values of late and multiply with 2. L means 12, A means 1, T means 20, E means 5. If I add, I get 38, but I have to multiply with 2, so I get 76 as the right answer. Okay, next question. Permutation is written as something. Public sector, how it will be written. This question is slightly next level because here it is not just forward backward movement of the letters. No, you have to observe one more thing here. We know that alphabet have this vowels and consonants, right? We have this vowels and consonants. So what is happening here is vowels are getting reversed by -3, consonants are getting reversed by -7. Okay, which are the vowels? You know that A, E, I, O, U. Let us observe carefully. First vowel we got is 5, correct? 5 minus 3 is 2. If you observe, it is 2. Then we have U. U means 21. 21 minus 3 is 18. So R means 18. A is 1. Minus 2 is done. X, I mean Z, Y and then X. So minus 3, right? So it is X is coming. I means 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. O is 15. 15 minus 3 is 12, which is L. So as we can observe, vowels are reduced by -3. Consonants are reduced by -7. Okay. For example, P means 16. 16 minus 7 is 9, which is I. Same logic is applied here. If we apply the same logic on this side, we get this I, R, U, E, F, V, L, B, V, M, L, K as the answer, which is option C. Master is coded as something. Govind is coded as something. Again, we have vowels and consonants here. If you observe in this question, vowels are getting squared, consonants are getting doubled. Because M means 13, but it is given as 26 first letter. So we can understand that the consonant M was 13, but it has become 26, so it is double. A means 1, it is shown as 1. S means 19, it has become 38, so double. T means 20, it has shown 40, so double. E is 5, but it is shown as 25, which means vowels are squared. So 5 square becomes 25. R means 18, 18 becomes 36. So it's quite simple. You have to just square the vowels and double the consonants. Let us do that. B is consonant, that is 2, so double. 2 2s are 4. A is vowel, 1 square is 1. C is consonant 3, 3 into 2 is 6. K is consonant 11, 11 into 2, 22. S is consonant 19, 19 into 2, 38. P is consonant 16, 16 into 2, 32. And so on. If you go E, 5 square becomes 25. So option 1 is the right answer. Next one. Again, slightly different question. This is number coding. Peer is coded as 7519. It's not easy to understand these type of questions. If you observe carefully, P means 16, that is 16, but it is coded as 7. E means 5, we know that. E is 5. A is 1, we know this also. 5 1 is there, which means single digit, whatever is there, they have written directly. But P is 16. 16 is written as 7. Can you understand what is happening here? This is 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. That is what is happening. Same way R means 18. 18 means digits 1 and 8. So 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. This is what is done. Same way toil, 20. So 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. O means 15. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. I means single digit 9. L means 12. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. This is what happened here. Same way, let us try for this. Doctor. D means 4. Directly you can write. O is 15. 1 plus 5 becomes 6. C is 3, directly written. T is 22 plus 0, 2. O is 15, 1 plus 5, 6. R is 18, 1 plus 8, 9. So 4, 6, 3, 2, 6, 9 is the right answer. So basically we have to add the digits of each positional value if there are 2 digits. If it is single digit, directly write them. W is equal to 46, cat is equal to 48. So W is nothing but 23, but it is written as 46, which means positional value into 2. Because W we know it's 23 into 2 gives us 46. Same way cat, if I add 3 plus 1 plus 20, so 24, but written as 48. So 24 into 2 has given me 48. SAL is sale. If you add, you get 37. If you multiply with 2, you get 74. So option B, 74 is the right answer. Same question again. Rat means 9, 3 into 3. Game means 12, 4 into 3. Liver means 15, 5 into 3. If you observe all the numbers, the letters are multiplied by 3. Same way polyester has 8 letters multiplied with 3. 8 3s are 24. So 24 is the right answer for this. Now we have come to last type of questions where we have 3 lines. How do we solve this question? Quite simple, guys. For example, on one side you'll have, on the left hand side you'll have the unknown language. Okay. On the right side you'll have English language. We will go one by one. This is statement 1, statement 2, statement 3. Okay. We'll go with statement 1 and 2 first. Green and tasty tomato is green. What is common? If you observe carefully, green is common in these 2 sentences. Very important. Take 2 sentences at once. Take 1 and 2 first. Green is common. Go to the left hand side. Observe what is common. Knack is common. First and second, knack is common. Now go to second and third. Tomato is green. Tomato is food is tasty. Is common here, right? Is common. If I go to left hand, or is common. Or is common here, right? So which means first I got green. Green means knack. Next I got is means or. Now I'll go to the last sentence, that is food is tasty, and the first sentence green and tasty. Tasty is the common word, and on the left side bir is the common word. So tasty means bir. Now the question is, tomato is tasty. I know that is means or, tasty means bir. What is tomato? If I go to the second sentence, only tomato is left out here. Is and green are taken, and on the left hand side, pick is only remaining. So tomato means pick. pick. So I need pick or bir. If I look at the options, I have or bir pick. I'll go with this option because this pick or bir is a different language. It is not English language. It could be some other unknown language. Since I don't know that unknown language, we will not know the grammar also, like which word to write first or later. So you need not worry about the order of the letters in the sentence. Don't worry about the sentence structure. Make sure that those many number of proper words are written in the answer. That's it. Okay. Same way, let us try for the next one also. 539 means sky is blue. 927 means rose is red. Just compare this. If I compare the first and second one, is there. Is word is there. And the left side 9 is common. So is means 9. If I go to second and third sentence, red is common and number 7 is common. So red means 7. Third and first, blue is common and number 5 is common. So blue means 5. So I got this. Now the question is, what is the code for and? If I go to third sentence, I have blue, I have red. Blue means 5, red means 7. What is remaining? 1. So answer is option B, 1. In a certain code language, 1 to 5 go to school, 146 study in school. So school is common word here. So when we look at this, school is common and 1 is also common, right? So school means 1. This we got. If you observe the first sentence, go to school. Third sentence, run to school. TO2 is there. And number 5 is common. So TO2 means number 5. Now the question is run. When I observe the last sentence, run to school, 2 is taken, school is taken. What is remaining? Only run is remaining. So run means 3. Option A, 3 is the right answer. Next one. In a certain code language, 289 means read from paper, 276 means T from field, 85 means wallpaper. So when I look at this 285 and 85, 8 is common, paper is also common in 289 and 85. So option C, 8 is the right answer. These are quite easy questions, guys. Okay. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please download our Ticket app. This app has courses for all the examinations. You can go through the courses, go through the videos, follow the test series, and if you need any help, please do let us know. We are there to help you. Okay, so please download Ticket app. I wish you all the best. Thank you.